Colby Ag Tech is brought to you by PTx, a new brand from AGCO that includes precision ag technologies from Precision Planting and PTx Trimble. Crop farmers have all sorts of technologies to manage their production in the field. Now livestock farmers do as well.
I've got a special tech segment this week. Joining me is Jason Yordy from Yordy Farms, fifth generation farmer here in Central Illinois. But Jason's got a special project he's been working on for about 10 years. As a turkey farmer, you found a new way to monitor the performance of a turkey flock. Jason, talk about TurkeyTrac.
So Chad, one of the things that's really missing in our industry is data and technology. So we saw the need to build a system that collects a whole bunch of data through our hardware and then sends it up to our software and our servers up in the cloud.
So Jason, let's talk about the hardware first. Inside the barn, I've seen it mounted on the wall in my visits here at the farm over the years. Talk a little bit about the hardware. What's it take to make TurkeyTrac work?
Yeah, it's a very simple IoT system. So we hang a scale in the middle of the building that takes random weights of turkeys. On that scale is our environmental sensor we designed. We have a water meter and an ORP sensor for water quality, and then we tag into a bin track system generating about 72 different metrics every second.
Everybody's all into data, and I think it's great getting the data, but talk about some of the use cases. How are your customers using TurkeyTrac to manage their flocks better, and I'm guessing compare their flocks as well? Talk about that.
Yeah, Chad, it's a tool we developed called Flock Compare. So we have a system that all this data goes up to our server, and our growers have the ability then to see what's going on in the industry. Think of it as a data co-op. A grower might be able to go in there and say, I want to see how this genetic performs against this genetic in a tunnel ventilated building facing west with ziggity water lines and H2 feeders, and then our system will generate everything he needs to see based off the data that other growers have generated.
So I'm guessing can use it on a tablet, a smartphone, a desktop. Talk a little bit about how do you use the system on a daily basis? Can you set up alerts, all those kind of things?
Yes to all the above. So we're on every platform. We do have a health alert system that we are first to industry on. Nobody's done what we're doing before now with all this data. So we have health alerts, but a lot of our growers use tablets. Also when they're walking through their barn, able to flip out their phone and use data as a sixth sense rather than relying on their five senses.
For This Week in Agribusiness, I'm Chad Colby.
Thank you, Chad. It's so neat to see farmers of not just corn and soybeans utilizing these new technologies to make their lives better on the farm.